scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Water level questions look scary, but this one is just signed area from the rate graph, and we can spot the matching times fast.
Since R of t is the rate of change of water level, the lake returns to its starting height exactly when the net change from time 0 to t is 0. So we read the graph with signed area. Above the axis adds water, below the axis subtracts water. And the first time those areas balance is at t equals 5. Keep going to 12 and compare the added and subtracted area again. They balance there too, so the lake matches its starting level at t. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap, ignore signs, and rush. Rule, trust the given rate graph and check when net change equals 0.